Unity developers are highly skilled programmers who design and develop games using Unity software. This award-winning game engine enables developers to produce high-quality 2D and 3D games for smartphones, desktops, gaming consoles, and PCs. Unity supports most operating systems and gaming platforms, making it a versatile choice for various industries. Unity is a popular choice for app development due to its cross-platform capabilities, reducing effort and increasing productivity. Developers face additional challenges when creating native apps compatible with multiple platforms, requiring extensive testing and development. Unity simplifies this process, allowing developers to focus on creating engaging and consistent user experiences across all platforms. Unity offers numerous advantages, including an intuitive physics system that separates colliders from object parameters like mass, enabling faster creation of complex colliders. Additionally, Unity's graphical editor allows for easy scene creation and organization, making it simple to add objects, scripts, and light effects. These features contribute to a more efficient development process and higher quality apps. Hiring Unity developers can significantly boost the value of your startup or enterprise. Unity developers are involved in various aspects of the development process, including app development, design, and deployment. They utilize cutting-edge technologies to create high-performance, scalable, and secure apps, ensuring an exceptional experience for customers. Effective app development in Unity begins with thorough planning and ideation. Unity developers participate in intensive brainstorming sessions, using techniques like sketching, prototyping, and brainwriting to generate innovative solutions. Early communication with designers and developers helps identify potential obstacles and ensures a smoother development process, ultimately leading to more successful apps. Unity's user-friendly graphical editor allows for rapid scene creation and organization, significantly reducing development time. Most developers can master Unity within 3 to 6 months, and those with prior app development experience can speed up the process even further. This efficiency enables developers to bring high-quality apps to market more quickly. Creating a unique customer experience is crucial for the success of any app. Unity developers leverage cutting-edge technologies, such as virtual reality and augmented reality, to build immersive and engaging apps. These advanced features can set your app apart from competitors and provide users with a memorable and enjoyable experience. Unity's AR Foundation is a cross-platform framework that simplifies the creation of augmented reality experiences. Once designed, these experiences can be built for both Android and iOS without further modification. Unity developers can also create visually captivating virtual reality apps, enhancing your marketing efforts and keeping customers engaged. Unity empowers developers to build networked multi-platform games that run seamlessly on multiple devices. This capability ensures a consistent user experience across all platforms, making your app more appealing to a broader audience. Unity developers are experts in providing this level of consistency, helping your app stand out in the crowded market. In conclusion, hiring Unity developers for cross-platform app development offers numerous benefits, including reduced development time, unique customer experiences, and advanced AR and VR capabilities. By leveraging Unity's powerful features and the expertise of skilled developers, you can create high-quality, engaging apps that stand out in the competitive app market. Invest in Unity development to boost the value of your startup or enterprise.